Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One Two Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can redeem codes in Genshin Impact. So guys, sometimes some codes are leaked or they are sent by some streamers. So when you redeem codes, you will get rewards like Primo Gems, which are very important for games like Genshin because they are very hard to get. So if you have the redeem code and you just need to redeem it to claim your gifts, you just need to go ahead to any browser, going to choose Safari and just type in redeem codes Genshin and just tap on the first option that comes, and you just need to log in. Once you log in, you can just type in the redemption code right here and tap on redeem. And after that, once you open your game, and in the game, you just need to go ahead and check your mail, and there you would find your reward. So guys, that's how you redeem code in Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.